When it comes to helping with trading capital, prop firms stand in the gap, ensuring you have enough for your trading journey. However, before you get funded, you need to pass a funding challenge, which can be really difficult if you have little or no experience at all. But even with all of these, you can make over $30,000 in profit with prop firms like FTMO. Prop firms generally help you with the needed capital for trading. However, not all prop firms can be trusted, which is why we have selected one trusted prop firm that can help you in your trading journey. FTMO is rated 4.8 on Trustpilot and has over 14,000 reviews, which shows that it has provided solutions to a lot of traders. With simplified rules, FTMO stands out from other prop firms by putting their users first, even in the profit share of 80-20. The best part about FTMO is that I've developed a tailored solution through the company I founded, Exo Capital, that is designed to protect your capital and ensure you pass your trading challenges without risking losses. By leveraging our proven strategies, you're set up for success thanks to hedging strategy. This strategy involves placing two different orders on the same trade with different accounts. One of the account is a prop firm account, while the other is a broker account. For example, if the prop firm account places a buy order, the broker account will take a sell order on the same currency pair. Since you either buy or sell, it means you win on one account, you lose on the other, which means you can still keep your money. To further explain this, we will take a look at this table prepared for illustration. Let's assume you have selected an account size of $100,000. The challenge cost will be $600 and the split prop firm using FTMO will be 80%. To start, you need $2,657, which is the total hedging collateral for phase 1, phase 2, funded 1, plus the challenge cost. If prop account wins, the broker account loses its balance of $960, which is the first hedging collateral required by an investor. The same goes for phase 2, where the broker account loses its hedging collateral of $1,035. However, the prop account winning means that you can proceed to the next stage known as funded 1, where your account will be funded. Here, all you have to do is meet a small 200 target and receive 80% of that, which is $160. In addition to the challenge refund of $600, we receive total $760 to use in next hedging collateral. The same goes for funded 2, which will have its payout reinvested in the next hedging collateral, just like funded 1. On funded 3, though, you will start to make money either you win or lose. Let's pause it here and see what happens if prop account fails. Remember, whatever happens in the first scenario, the opposite happens in the second scenario. This means if the prop account fails, the broker account makes $640 in addition to the $960 hedging collateral. The same goes for phase 2, where the broker account makes $1,620 in addition to the $1,035, amounting to $2,600, which is enough to restart the process. It basically auto-finances itself. Once the challenge is refunded and the account gets to funded 2, provided the prop account fails, the broker account will make $2,920. This balance gives the chance to start the process all over again, with making a few $100 in net profits in that case. Once you get to funded 3, real profit will be made either you lose or win. But in the case where the prop account fails, the broker gains $2,560 in addition to $2,047 initial balance. At this stage, we will have to reinvest $2,657 and we'll be left with $1,950. This $1,950 will then be shared between you and Exo Capital equally, leaving you with over $975 profit. The process auto-finances itself in case of failure, and you still get around $1,000 in your pocket. But if the prop account wins, you will have over $1,000 after reinvesting and sharing the profit with Exo Capital. The process stays the same with funded 4, and if we manage to get to funded 5, your profit will be $3,200. In the end, the addition of the profits on funded 3, 4, and 5 will be above $6,000. You can then make more money by repeating this method 3 times within a year, but for each time, we have to reinvest $2,000 in hedging collateral, where you invest just half while Exo Capital invests remaining half. It's basically funded 6 that is not written on the spreadsheet. With that, you will be left with $5,000, which will amount to $15,000 after you have completed this 3 times. By compounding to unlock a 300,000 portfolio, after your first profits, you reach the $30,000 annual net return on your first year from your original 2,600 investment. So that's how we make over $30,000 with FTMO. Annually, we should yield around $45,000 from this 300K portfolio after the first year. In conclusion, you can trust our strategy with your investing journey because it ensures you get funded by a prop firm and make sure you do not lose your money trying. If you would like to begin your prop trading journey, click the link in the description to schedule a call with me and let's make money together.